Looking for a better way to mix, agitate, or suspend solids in your process tank?
Tank mixing eductors are a simple, powerful solution. They require less maintenance and can be more efficient than other tank mixing alternatives. Eductors use pressurized liquid to create a high-velocity jet that draws in surrounding tank liquid, creating strong turbulence and promoting efficient mixing without moving parts inside the tank.
From suspending solids to adjusting pH or improving coating coverage, eductors are used in a wide variety of applications, including plating, chemical mixing, wastewater treatment, and food processing. Compared to mechanical agitators or compressed gas, eductors save space, reduce maintenance, and won't interfere with parts moving in and out of tanks.
They also minimize misting and chemical imbalance caused by air injection. More efficient mixing reduces process time, improves coating quality, eliminates sludge buildup, and cuts down on rejected parts and rework,
saving you time and money.
Beck's manufactures all of our tank mixing eductors in-house, allowing us to thoroughly test each one in our ISO 9001 certified facility. This ensures exceptional quality and optimal performance in every product we deliver.
Need help selecting the right eductors or optimizing your layout?
The Beck's team is here to help with guidance on sizing, placement, and troubleshooting. We also offer eductors in a wide range of metal and plastic materials. Accessories for easy installation are also available.
Simple, reliable, effective. Eductors are the smart choice for efficient tank mixing. Contact Beck's to get started.